Welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the 2-part series for the rear bumper build for this Toyota 4Runner. In part 1, we built the entire main bumper. The link to that video will be in the description box and also in the comment section below if you want to watch part 1 before you watch this video. And in this video, we're building both of the swing arms that are going onto this bumper. As always, I've turned the following process into a little montage for your viewing pleasure, and I will see you at the end of this video once this bumper is completely finished. And that concludes the entire rear bumper build for this Toyota 4Runner. What a way to finish out the year with the absolute best bumper that I have built to date. This bumper paired up with this already impeccable 4Runner is just a perfect combination, and everything just looks perfect. Aside from looks, you saw that this is a dual swing arm bumper one for a spare tire, and one for a gas can and farm jack carrier. As you can see, you can carry more than just a spare tire. Aside from that, the latches that you saw in this video are the new standard in cheated death fabrication for all future bumper builds. And a big shout out to Taboo Customs for the spindle kits that are added to every rear bumper that includes a tire carrier or any kind of swing arm in general. I'm sure you can tell, but I'm very happy with how this bumper turned out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm very excited for the builds that are going to be coming in 2024. And as always, I will see you guys in the next fabrication video.